You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. For more medical terms, more names from anatomy. Make sure to stay tuned. Loads to learn here. This is the name of a muscle on the lateral side of the thigh. Vastus Lateralis. That's English pronunciation. Latin Vastus Lateralis. English Vastus Lateralis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.